Have you ever wondered how a small creature can transform an entire landscape? Beavers, often overlooked, are nature's master engineers. By building dams, they create wetlands that serve as crucial habitats for diverse wildlife. These wetlands act like sponges, absorbing excess rainwater and reducing flooding downstream. Moreover, the ponds formed by beaver dams improve water quality by trapping sediments and filtering pollutants. As these ecosystems flourish, they support an array of species, from fish to birds. By restoring balance in nature, beavers play an essential role in combating climate change and preserving biodiversity. Their work is vital for a healthier planet.